In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to manually save project versions, which means creating separate backup versions of your project as you continue editing. This is very important because if something goes wrong, or if you want to go back to an older version of your edit, you'll have a safe copy ready. Let's begin. First, go to the top menu and click File, then choose Save As. A window will appear asking where you want to save the project. Now, instead of overwriting the current file, change the project name slightly. For example, if your project is named my video underscore v1, you can rename it to my video underscore v2, then click Save. Now you have created a new version of your project. Both versions will exist separately in your folder. As you continue editing, you can repeat this process and create v3, v4, v5 this way. If you ever need to revert to a previous edit, you can simply open that older version. Manual version saving gives you full control and adds an extra layer of safety beyond autosave. And that's it. You now know how to manually save project versions in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.